Introducing KB Med Safety Hypodermic Needles. Top surgical essentials for less. Our safety hypodermic needles are designed for compatibility with all syringes featuring a Luer lock or Luer slip tip, ensuring a safe and seamless injection. These needles are designed to offer clear visibility of the injection site. The protective arm keeps the finger behind the needle to prevent accidental needle stick injuries. With a simple one-handed activation, the needle is securely covered immediately after use, providing instant protection. Needle will remain locked inside the activated cover. The safety needles are color-coded for quick and easy identification of needle gauge. Available in a range of popular sizes. Each KB Med Safety hypodermic needle is individually sealed and sterilized using EO gas. They are intended for single use only.